Portugal, I have found, let's call it a rosin plantation, because there's so many trees here that have rosin coming out of them. Look at that. I'll tell you a bit more about them in a minute. So this is where your rosin comes from. I'll show you a few close-ups in a minute. Tree after tree of rosin. And this is how it flows. Look, there's an oblique cut just here, and it just streams down into the little pot. How clever is that? Just by the side of the road. Amazing. How they hang this on the tree is a nail underneath and two sharp thingies on the side. That's how it hangs. We've even found a loose one here. Look at those two sharp thingies. So they put that under the bark of the tree, and then the rosin will stick it to the tree. That's amazing. So this is strange, because when you first touch it, it's not really sticky. Like that. It's not sticky at all. But then when it warms up on your fingers, it becomes very, very sticky. I've never come across anything like it. Oh, this gets really sticky now. With a bit of research, I have found out that this is Portuguese gum rosin. From the pine trees, the pine oleoresin is collected, and then it will be distilled, and it will be used for various industrial applications, such as adhesives and coatings and inks and so on, but also your rosin that you use on your violin.